Hi everyone, good evening, and welcome to LetsUpgrade's career and placement guidance session. Yes, very good evening to all of you. So please let me know which all batches you're all from. Which batches have joined? Please let me know. I think there's a combination of two or three batches, I guess, or even more. So please let me know which all batches you're all from. Good evening, Siddheshwari. Good evening. Hi, Ishani. Hi, Azeen. Hello, Small Talks. Hi. Yes, so okay, Siddheshwari is from Python 0 to Hero. Others, hi Balaji, good evening, good evening. Ishani is also from Python. Azeen, hi Azeen. Thank you, Dipanshu. Sulagna is from data visualization with Python. Elias is from okay. CS Balaji is from more than one batch. Okay. Uh, all right. Bhargav is from Java programming. Brish Kishore, good evening. Good evening. Hi. Hello, Shubham. Okay. Arghajit is from HTML CSS. All right. Good evening. Yes. Hi, Vimal. Ridhiman is from also HTML CSS. Again, data visualization with Python. Good evening, Yuvraj. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, guys. Come on, flood the chat. All right. Good evening, Yash. Okay, so Shubham is from Node.js and HTML CSS. All right, all right. Um, Perfect. Tushar, data visualization. Dipanshu is also from data visualization. Wonderful, wonderful. Thanks everyone for joining. Krishna Kumar is HTML CSS. Gaurav from Java programming. Chidvilas Mandavili is from HTML CSS. Okay. Uh, yes, I am coming to the process of certificates. Don't worry, Argajit. I will be announcing that. Uh, okay, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Balaji, if you are in second year, first sem. Okay. Free courses are useful for me for good future. So you need to first explore what your interests are. Okay, and once you find out what interests you, what drives you, what you're passionate about, please go for courses in that field. Okay, whether it is designing, whether it is development, whether it is testing, back end development, front end development, what it is, you need to figure it out. Okay, or something different altogether apart from this. All right, so don't go after what is good. Go after what feels good. Okay. Yuvraj, your topic today. See, today we have a special career and placement guidance session only. If you have attended before this, you know that we talk about interviews and resumes and question answers, things of that sort. Okay. So today, as I'm not, too great in terms of health, you're going to wrap up a bit faster than usual. So we are going to go through like question and answer round of sorts. Okay, sort of an AMA. Okay, so I want all of you to first of all, before we get into it, first of all, I want all of you to tell me, okay, to tell me which all locations you have joined from. Okay, which all locations you have joined from, and meanwhile, in the meanwhile, till you are all typing and your answers reach me, meanwhile I will be introducing myself. Here it goes. I am Sneha Faiz Purkar. I am the placements head at Let's Upgrade, and I'm a trainer at heart. If you have attended any of my sessions before this, so you must know this, that I am a trainer at heart. I love teaching, I love training students, I love training different kinds of professions and professionals as well. Okay, so I love like interacting with people. That is the reason why this, you know, this profession impresses me so much. Okay, I love interacting with different kinds of people. Everyone is different, so there's never boredom here in this profession. So, and also teaching feels good because it helps me to enhance people's skills and helps uh, me to make them realize their dreams earlier, faster, in a way better manner. Okay, to land them jobs that they have been, trying for, struggling for. So I help them, get better, and so that their process in their career enhancement is easier. So that's what I do, and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay. So where all are you all from? So I have already got answers. Okay, Delhi, Pune, Odisha, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Vellore. Okay, Mahabaleshwar, wonderful. Hyderabad. Tushar Gupta, are you in Mahabaleshwar like always, or are you there for a holiday? Jaipur, Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, uh, Vizag, Delhi, Kochi, Aurangabad, Kerala, Mumbai, Chennai, SRM. Oh, we have a lot of people from SRM in Let's Upgrade. Yes, Greater Noida, Madurai, wonderful place. Agra, Ghaziabad, Gandhinagar, Brij Kishore. Yes, then you must go for our PGP full stack program in data science. If you want to become a data scientist, that's the best option for you and the cheapest also. Okay, Bangalore, Bhavnagar. Junaid is also from Nagpur. Yes, Bhavdeep, Nashik, Kathmandu. Okay. Trivandrum, Lonavala. Okay, wonderful. Tushar stays in Mahabaleshwar. Neeraj, do you stay in Lonavala or are you there for a holiday? Same question to you also. Oh, wonderful. Dreamers go, you're from VIT Vellore. Nice, nice, nice. Shafinaj is also from Nagpur. Oh, great, great, great. Khalil, Rishikesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Nice job, nice job. So, Brij Kishore, Paridhi has sent the link to our postgraduate program. Okay. Here is the link. Go there, register. They will call you, they will guide you, they will counsel you, and you can definitely, be near your goal of becoming a data scientist very soon. All right. So, yes. Now, since we have to wrap this up like very quickly, I want all of you to ask me questions related to interviews. Okay. Interviews. See, I cannot answer technical questions. I'm not a technical person. I don't have a technical background. So, I am not the correct person to answer those questions. And I will not be guiding you in a wrong way. That I absolutely hate doing. I don't do it ever. So I will not be answering any technical questions. Please don't bother asking also. Okay, don't waste your energy and your time. So ask me questions related to interviews. Ask me questions related to your resume or your CV. Okay. Ask me questions related to improving your skills, improving your communication. Okay, and I will be happy to answer them. I will answer since my throat is not really very great, so I will be speaking a little less today. So if I'm not able to answer some questions, then please, I'm really sorry, but I will sort the best possible and the most common questions, and I will try to answer as many as I can. Okay, so please ask your questions. All right, and bring it on. Let's have a chat. All right, bring on your questions. Okay. Uh, okay, Vishal already has a question. Yeah, I'm having a real problem clearing aptitude round, but I'm really good with data structures and algorithms. So, Vishal, uh, for clearing aptitude round, all you need first is clearing of your concepts. Okay, all your concepts need to be cleared. Uh, Topics like percentages, time and work, and pipes and cisterns, volume, surface areas, coding, decoding, your blood relations, clocks, calendars, whatever, everything and anything, percentages, profit and loss. So all of these concepts first need to get cleared. Okay, you just cannot go and sit for an aptitude round. Please clear your concepts first. Take help from somewhere if you need. There are ample material available to clear those concepts and ample material available to practice also. So, as much as you practice, you will be able to solve every question in lesser and lesser time. Okay, so that is the key to clearing that aptitude round. So, you have to pay attention to the concepts first and then the time taken to solve it also. So, concepts, understanding, and practice. Okay, that's the key to clearing that aptitude round. Uh, okay, so for certificates, there is a different team which will contact you. Okay, uh, has the there is a ceremony, virtual convocation which is held in which the eligibility list is announced for certificates. So you will get an email every notification, every let's say communication is done through email to all of you. So rest assured, please be assured that the emails will reach you in time, and all the communication will be done to you regarding your convocations also and your certificates also. Okay. uh, Balaji, I don't think so because attendance is compulsory for the certificates. So, and there's a limited amount of time till when you can fill your attendance. So, I don't know if you can manage. Please do it because if you're really passionate about this, you need to take out that time from your routine. All right. Yes. So, okay, too many questions. Yes. What programming language will refer an interview? Okay, so depends on what kind of an interview are you sitting for. Depends on which company you're sitting for and what kind of a role are you sitting for. Okay, if that role is relevant to some particular language, there will be requirements or prerequisites to every job role or every job vacancy. Okay, so it totally depends on that. We cannot know till we read that requirement or the job role, the responsibilities of that particular role. We will not know what kind of language will be referred in the interview. So since there are multiple languages involved, so you need to find out first what is required for that particular job. Only that will be asked. Why will they ask something else which they don't require? Okay. Shubham, okay, how to negotiate for a better salary? So, see, you need to first know why, if the gap that they are offering, if the raise that they have offered, or whatever they have offered, is it already satisfactory for you, or were you expecting more, or you are you just asking, taking a chance if they give more or not? Okay, only then will you be able to negotiate better, convince them better. Okay, if you really think let me just try, if they give it's okay, then I think your answers and the way you convince them will not be very satisfactory. But if you really think that what they have offered is way less, then you need to you will be able to convince them better. But for this you need to have a study. Okay, you need to have a study, you need to do some homework to find out what are other companies offering for that particular role and for that amount of experience which you have. Okay, so some company may be offering like 4 or 5 lakhs more, but the experience of that person may be 5 or 6 years more than yours. So you need to first compare, and then obviously you can put that point forward, but such and such but whatever they are offering in the market is more. Okay, so why not? Or you can say, what do I lack? So, or to get such and such salary, what do you think I should work on? Okay, or you could ask them, if they are not ready, you could ask them, when can I expect? Okay, what is the policy for giving a raise or to uh, say for an appraisal? Okay, there are many different ways, and it depends on the situation and the kind of person in front of you, how open that person is to listening to you and stuff like that. Okay, so there's no one concrete answer or a formula to that. uh, Aman, how much salary do you expect? Please be honest, do your homework. Again, I will tell you, do your homework and please be honest about how much you expect. Okay, Don't say something like which is impractical for that particular role or that available experience. All right. uh, so Lagna, projects are obviously more valuable, but I will not say more valuable. Actually, both have their own weightage. Certificates will tell you what you have learned, okay, or what you have attended rather, but projects tell you what you can do and where all you have applied your learning. So both are important, but I would give more weightage to projects if I were the recruiter. This is my personal opinion. All right. Shivam, I think I've already answered the certificate question. So, guys who have attended this batch, who are attending this batch, I will tell you about the certificates. So, there are two kinds of certificates that are to be given. One is I'm so sorry. One is the certificate of attendance, and the other is a certificate of completion. So, the certificate of attendance is given only when you fill in attendance for all the days, including today's day also. Okay, and that is an e-certificate. And the certificate of completion has two criteria. One is your submission of projects and assignments in time and correctly, and second is the attendance. Okay, complete attendance. And this, if you are eligible for if you qualify both these criteria, then you are eligible for the certificate of completion and it will be shipped to you. This eligibility list is out when you have your virtual convocation. Now, when that virtual convocation is being held, that you will get an email. Okay, so you will get an email in a few days that your virtual convocation is there. In that virtual convocation, a list is announced, your eligibility for your certificates. You are also sent your soft copies of your certificates that day itself. Okay, and in the next 10 to 12 days, those who are eligible for the physical copy of the certificate, they get that also. Okay, so this is the process of certificates for those of you who are new. Okay, okay, so I'll be moving on to the last few questions. Certificate ceremony is offline, Baba, Brij Kishore. This career guidance program is for 2, 3, 4 batches of essentials. One is JavaScript, one is Python 0 to Hero, then there's data visualization, and there is another one. Okay. Uh, Requirements to crack DRDO interview, you have to find the DRDO recruitment page and find out from there. Uh, mm, Balaji, we have DSA course with free of cost with our postgraduate full stack programs. All of the 4 programs have free DSA training also, free AWS training also. Okay, so okay. Junaid, yes, with Python and SQL, you can get an entry level job easily. There are plenty available. Okay. Mm. Aman, I have already answered the question, right? How much salary do you expect? Answer I've already given. How to get internships? Apply, apply, apply. Make a good resume, simple black and white resume, and apply, apply, and apply as much as you can. Okay. Outreach is more, the results are more. Okay. Uh, Purnendu Goswami, yes, we do have mock interview sessions also, but that is a part of the PGP full stack program. Therein, we have a complete placement module, a different placement module itself, wherein we teach everything: how to crack interviews, how to build a LinkedIn profile, how to start your own company, how to be a good leader, uh, how to write a powerful resume. All of that is done, and mock interviews and your eligibility test, aptitude test, everything is given already. These are services that we give free of cost for our PGP full stack program students. Okay. uh, yes, Tushar, you have to fill attendance for today. Mufasir, depends how much salary you get. on what kind of a company and what kind of a role are you applying for. Just doing a course will not, get you a job. So you have to, study the company. You have to find what the company is able to pay. So a local company is not going to pay you, like a smaller local company is not going to be able to pay you 25 lakhs or 17 lakhs or maybe even 10 lakhs ka package, right? So it depends. So there is no one set answer, one fixed answer to that question. Okay. Shivam, I'm not very sure. So let the certificates team handle it and let's see what happens. Uh, Balaji, I've answered your question already about you not being able to attend the classes and for your certificate. Mani Kandan, I have answered the questions, dear. Yes, you can select career session. Mohammad Hassan. Same answer for you. Ritika, depends on your interests, dear Ritika Mahajan. Okay, whether JavaScript or Python, it totally depends on your preference and your passion and what you enjoy. Try learning both, try exploring both, and see what really interests you, and then we can, figure it out what to do. Okay, you will yourself get the answer. Prathamesh, of course, what about freelancing? I did not get a question. What do you want to ask about freelancing? Nahid, Nisha, there are so many websites, dear. Like Naukri is there, Internshala is there, uh, Hirist is there, AngelList is there, Monster is there, Shine is there. There's hundreds of websites available. Tech Tarif, yes, 12th standard pass students do get a job. Okay. Some tips for full-time freelancers. Uh, Keep a good, nice, showy, glitzy record of your work so that you are able to show your work to people. Word of mouth travels fast, but at the same time, for freelancers, the key to success is patience. You need to be a lot. I mean, you need to have a lot of patience and do good work. Okay, do good work. The appreciation will travel fast, and people do refer good resources to their friends and relatives, so that really helps. So be sincere with whatever you do, and it's a slow process for freelancers generally, but success is there, maybe later, but it's there. So stick to it if you are really, wanting to do that. Malati Shet, I told the websites already, but which is more worthy depends on again the profile that you want to work for and the company. So if the company wants you to do an online internship, then okay. Offline is obviously better because you get to meet people, you get to interact with people. That's an additional advantage to the work that you learn. Okay. Shoaib, you need to find what Amazon requires for that particular role. And if you have those skills, if you can do what they require, then you have to practice, you have to learn, you have to practice, you have to perfect yourself, you have to apply, okay, to get into Amazon. Yes, Chirvilas Mandavali, you have to change your resume from company to company or rather from role to role. Okay. You have to change your resume, you have to tweak your resume, edit your resume from role to role, from every application. Okay. Sushil, you need to practice. Again, practice is the key to speaking fluent English also. Try reading loudly and read anything for 10 minutes. Read anything, but read loudly. Your tongue and your brain should be able to, get used to the way English words are spoken, and your ears also. Okay. Aman, yes, we have a course that is 6 to 9 months long. Okay. The links are there. Paridhi will send the links again if you want, Aman, for the PGP full stack programs. All right. Arjun, we have a course for full stack web development. which is for the cost of like other advanced JavaScript courses. So it's very cheap. Please register and at least fill the form so that the team calls you. They are able to counsel you. And if you are eligible for any kinds of discounts, if the discounts are available with them, then they will provide that also. For a fraction of the cost, close to like on an average for 30,000 rupees, you learn full stack web development. Okay, not just JavaScript. Full stack web development is done along with DSA, along with placement module, along with AWS. Okay. Uh, Prathamesh, from where to start about freelancing? There are a lot of, first make a portfolio. Okay, first make a portfolio. And there are a lot of websites that are there for freelancers. So one is Freelancer, one is Fiverr. Then there are more from India also. Try searching for that. Okay. Suragna, not necessary. Okay, it's not necessary. Some internships might have asked for that, but it's not necessary. Okay, you can get internships which don't ask for that, but they do ask for basics of Python. Okay, they do ask for basics of Python for data science or machine learning. Shivam, if the last date is over, then you cannot submit. Okay. Ritika, no, no, no. I am also not a graduate from a very big famous university. That will not matter. Don't worry. What will matter is what you have learned and how you are able to apply that. Okay, to the benefit of the company. That is going to matter. Mufasir, again, depends on what kind of a job you want to do, what kind of a job is available, which company is that, stuff like that. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So it is there. It's a full stack web development program. You connect with the team. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Fill the form. Okay, fill the form. Uh, See, Paridhi has sent it above Ritika's comment. It's there. Apply for PGP full stack program in web development. It's just a form. Okay, fill that form as an inquiry. The team will get in touch with you. They will explain everything. Okay, and you can ask them whatever questions you have. Okay, Arjun, Aman, totally up to you. If you want to be on the technical side, please do MTech. Right now, Nahid Nisha, we don't have anything as of now. We will post it on our social media channels if we have. We are actually looking for a graphic designer, but that's okay. It's not related to your course that you have done. So internships we don't have as of now. Okay. So that's all, guys. We will wrap up now. My throat is really now troubling me. I've already spoken for like 30 minutes non-stop. So let's wrap up. Thank you, everyone. Really sorry that we cannot continue for very long now. And I hope to see you in our PGP full stack programs. I have already told you about them. Paridhi has sent you the links again and again. Fill the form. Okay. On an average, it's like more or less 30,000 rupees, not more than that. Okay. So it's like it's ranges from 27,000 to 30,000 rupees. So that's like fraction of an amount for what you get out there outside in the market. Courses are available for 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, and 2 lakh rupees. For what you get here with Let's Upgrade, 100% live learning with facility of recorded lectures and everything. So you get that for less than 30,000 rupees. So I think there's no harm in at least filling up the form. So please fill up the form. Let the team contact you, and then you can decide later what you want to do. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Thank you. Sorry again, and good night. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone.